What's going on, guys? Jezzi here with another trading video. I have been slacking, I'm not gonna lie. But the trades have been really good this week, so let's get into those. As you can see, just, to send this out, 333 into SPX scalping shorts right now. Obviously, I actively manage my trades, so if I see a bigger move, I'm gonna just let it ride. So, yeah, that is kind of how it went. As you can see, sent this out live as it kind of happened. We have this high, then the break below this previous resistance, and then we have the retest and ability to break back above this high, and then we have a re-break above this initial support, and that is where I took my entry. And as you can see on the 5 minute as well, we have this high retest, well, not decreasing buy volume, but we have minimal buy volume to this previous sell. We have increasing sell on this, well, slightly decreasing buy, but again, seller absorption strong. So not enough buyers to really change the direction of where it really wants to go. So now I'm looking for a rebreak above this low. We got the rebreak, and now I'm in shorts. First trim, well, first real like big target was this low here. This is what I really wanted it to break. As you can see, it broke it, retested, and held under this. So that's how I know I am in this trade real nice. Next target was this. As you can see, big resistance here. Big support. Well, not super strong support. It was able to break right through it. It took a little bit of time, but it was able to break through it. At this point, I was up around, as you can see, at this point I was up around 200%. And I closed at a majority of my profits. I know I probably should have, held a little longer, but profit security is super important. And that's what makes you a consistent trader. So yeah, kept trimming, 245%, kept going, it kept falling, literally kept falling, and finish out this trade at around 615%. 615% this trade I took on Monday. Really happy about this trade. Super happy. As you can see, this is straight from Thinkorswim. Can't edit the percentages. So yeah, this was Monday's trade, and I'm just gonna try to get done as many trades as I can. So Tuesday again, I took a trade on. Did I? No, it was this week. Tuesday. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let me pull up the. Okay, so I did enter these SPX puts, but they just consolidated way too long, like way too long. So I ended up closing out of these. I can't remember who's calling me. All right. Um. Yeah, so I was in these 1217, 1217. Okay. Yeah. So what I did is I closed a majority. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I remember. Keeping a few runners from a revision close. And keep return now. Okay. Yeah. 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 All right. Boom. Okay. And back on track. Sorry. This was 2 days ago. Even though it's not a long time, I just a lot goes on in 2 days for me. Yeah. As you can see, well, it was consolidating a lot. I ended up closing majority of my position, but I knew it was going to fall eventually, especially with QQQ as well. There was a better entry on QQQ, so I took that better entry on QQQ, and I just left a few runners on this SPX, and those did end up covering my losses from what I took with these initial runners. But then I switched over to QQQ, and we can see here in boom 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 in these QQQ 535 puts right now. As you can see, this is the 5 minute, I think. Yeah, this is the 5 minute, and as you can see, we have, okay, let me explain it on here. We have this high, low, high, low. We have a lower high and a lower low, low. Now I'm looking for a hold under this level here. See this red line? I'm looking for a hold under this level here. As we can see, big pre-market support zone, double bottom. So this is a strong zone I'm targeting. We can see a hold under this level. Slight consolidation. I waited it out and just waited for a more significant move back down. As we can see, especially with all this time, the inability to break back above this resistance was previously being used as a support is giving me the it's giving me an idea that it's just giving more time for sellers to buy in, and that is exactly what happened. As we can see, I'm targeting this low for it to be broken. Breaks right back down below this low here. I don't think I took my yeah no I took my I can't remember exactly where I took my entry, but it was definitely around here. Whoops. Yeah, I took my entry. First trim 535.35. As you can see, smash right through those. Boom. I was immediately up 40% on these. Then it came back up. Came back up a break even, but came right back down. Now up 70%, continuously moving down. Again, I want that 535.50 break. I got it. Up 37%, up 45%, 87%. Took trims here. Left. I was in 75 contracts. I left 15 of them. As you can see, at 15 contracts, I was up of around 130%, just letting these ride out. As you can see here, my SPX contracts recovered a loss, closing out on those. Closed 90% of my QQQ contracts. Closed stop loss to 535.80, or trailing stop loss to 535.80. So now my stop loss is in break even. So even if these contracts do get stopped out, I'm still making money on those contracts. Again, 205%, 217%, and ended up closing out. Somewhere around here. I can't exactly remember, but it was down here for sure. So yeah, that was Tuesday's trade. So that is 2 wins, 2 big wins. So let's continue. Again, next trade. Yesterday, did I take a Oh, what? I did 2 trades in a day? Oh, yeah, that's right. I did. I literally forgot that. Oh, yeah, that's right. I literally started it off on QQQ. Literally started the day on QQQ. Who is... Jesus, I can't get a break. Okay, yeah. In these 534 puts, these were straight out the gate. Me and Tavanda went back to back on these. He did Tesla, I went QQQ. As you can see, in these... Okay, so first of all, let me give you the slight reasoning. As we can see, huge sell-off. Sellers are super strong. We have a break, retest high, new low. Retest high, new low. Retest high. A little consolidation, but it looks like we have the falling H pattern. And if you're confused what a falling H looks like, as you can see, it looks like an H, but it's like falling, which is a very bearish pattern. Don't always depend on patterns, but it's good to be able to identify certain things. Like double tops are good, double bottoms are good. So yeah, as you can see, opened up, came right up here. I'm looking for it to either hold above this level here or break that back down below this level here, and either break, I'm entering first. Especially with the strong sell-off, I was leaning more towards puts. Sellers are strong. As you can see, comes up, and it literally, like, I wish you could, like, watch how it just got smacked down. Like, it literally came up and went doof, like that. Like, it went doof. So I was like, all right, I'm hopping in these shorts right now. Sent it out, entered these for $1.50. Went to $2, trimmed on those, 220, 233, and I closed out on those, and it was around here. So 50% on those starting off that morning. And then I hopped. Well, I left. Yeah, I left. Like one or two contracts, and then those ended up getting stopped out. That doesn't matter. Hopped in these 537 calls. As you can see, I got the initial. I got the move that I wanted. I got the move that I wanted, and as you can see, uh, super bullish, ripping up, strong support, rebroke back above that. The entry should have probably been down here. But you know, not always gonna get the best entry. So I got this entry here. As you can see, it did come down, did not stop me out because I know where to set my stops. Uh, it was not moving very fast at all. It was not moving fast enough, and the theta was pretty strong on these contracts. So I only ended up taking these here for a 10% gain, which, you know, I mean, 60% on a day. Again, 3 for 3. First day 615%, second day 217%, now 60%. So that's about like almost 900% in 3 days. So let me continue. Now yesterday. Yeah, oh my god. Also on Wednesday, bro, also on Wednesday, this shit like I don't typically have FOMO, but like, bro, are you for real? This is like an easy 10,000% trade with the right contract on SPX. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, like I would have like actually ridiculous. But I don't know why I'm so stuffy. Maybe I don't know. But yeah, those were the one, two, three, and then on SPX four trades. Four trades that I took this week. Five actually, but I don't want to count that one SPX one. Even though I did end up winning it, it's not something I would want to like highlight. Yeah. One, two, one, two, three, four. Yeah, so 4 for 4 this week, almost totaling 1,000%. And yeah, those were the trades from the week. I'm super happy about them. Cannot complain at all. Uh, Again, those types of returns are very unrealistic. They're very hard to achieve. Uh, it's not easy. A lot of time has to go into that. A lot of knowledge, a lot of failure. Failure is how you learn. Failure is how you grow. Messing up, making mistakes, those are opening doors for you to improve and just expand yourself, expand your knowledge. So if you're afraid to fail, if you're afraid to take risks, trading is not for you. Trading is not for you if you're afraid to do either of those things. So yeah, again, consistency is super important in screen time. So thank you for watching. Those are my trades from those 3 days. We'll see y'all. Okay, yeah, today's Thursday. I did not take any trades today. I just wasn't on my computer. I was doing other stuff. I got other stuff I gotta do. And you know, I had a really good week already. I don't have to trade every day. That is the power of trading. I can have really good days, and you know, I'm like, okay, I don't have to trade today. Not just because trading, you have the opportunities to make a lot of money at any time during the day, doesn't mean you should. You can if you don't, you know, if you don't want to trade, if you don't feel the urge to trade, if you genuinely just don't want to trade, don't trade. Don't force yourself to trade. Uh yeah, so other than that, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day.